Alright.
Chicken with no bread.
Hey.
Chicken with no bread.
Hey.
Yeah.
Hey.
Hey.
Alright. What's up, everybody? It's your boy Z to the Eon, yours with a Z truly, aka just Zion. And I see I have my pride and joys right here, my two sons, my twins, Uriel and Gabriel. And for about the last 6 months, they've been saving up their little money because they wanted to build a computer for their birthday. Their birthday just passed about a couple of days ago. We finally got all the components, and we are ready for the build today. Now, the reason why they wanted to build a PC, they're big gamers. I know Gabe's a really big gamer. Uriel, he games every so often, but he's more so into animation and graphic design and stuff like that. As I am, I love doing video work and photography work and stuff like that. And they both are kind of showing an interest in video work, graphic design, animation, gaming, and they're fascinated by that type of stuff. So they wanted to build a PC. You know what I mean? So I said, all right, I'm not paying for it. You know what I'm saying? You're going to have to stack your own bread and get what you need to build it. So they did just that. And today is the day. They got everything they needed. And we're about to go ahead and do the build today. We want to kind of bring you guys in on it. It's about to be fun and excited. I'm excited. And so we're about to get at it. Thank you guys for joining us. We're going to be adding this to a new channel that we're going to be doing. It's basically like a family channel, stuff that me and my wife is going to be doing, family stuff that we're all going to be doing together. And y'all stay tuned for that. But let's dig into this build, though. You feel? Y'all ready? All right, let's go. There you go.